Welcome again to another tutorial session powered by Mix Digitech, your one-stop shop for IT solutions provision. Today we are going to be looking at how to make your posts on your blog sites using your smartphone. Usually we are accustomed to using our PCs, your laptops, or your desktops to write your posts and to edit posts and do many other things on your blog sites. But today we're going to look at how to do these things with your smartphone. In case you are in a place you don't have access to your PC and you need to update your blog or your website, you can actually use your smartphone. You can use any browser of your choice. You can use Chrome, you can use inbuilt browsers, you can use Firefox, whatever browser, in as much as it has a capacity to load web pages, then you can use it. So for this tutorial, we are going to be using the Google Chrome as a demonstration. Remember, if this is your first time of visiting this page, kindly click on the subscribe button down right and activate the notifications so that whenever we post new videos, you will be notified. Thank you very much. So back to the tutorial. We're going to use Google Chrome. So click on Google Chrome. And when it loads, in the address bar, you will enter the dashboard URL of your WordPress website or blog. For this tutorial, we are looking at WordPress. You enter the URL of your WordPress dashboard. We are going to be demonstrating with workingbyfaith.com.ng. You type in the URL workingbyfaith.com.ng/wp-admin, which is the dashboard URL. And when it loads, you can see the space for username and password. Here you're going to enter your details. I'm going to pause this video and then enter my details. After entering the details, you click login. Here we are at the workingbyfaith.com.ng dashboard, or what you can refer to as the back end, where you can make changes on your website or your blog site. So we are going to make a post to our blog site. You look at the three parallel lines by the top left. You click on the lines. Go to posts. Then click add new. Depending on your network, it will load. Now when the add new post is loaded, just scroll down. You will see the title. You add a title. Our title will be how to grow your faith. Good. This will be the title of the post. You can edit the post with Elementor if you're using the Elementor plugin, or you can use the classical editor, which comes pre-installed with most WordPress installations. In this case, I'm going to use the classical editor. So when you come down, you will see the box where you can type in your text. Now, you may have written your article in a word processor and copied it, or you can type in straight. Now, in this context, I have already copied my article, so I'm going to paste. I will press and hold till the paste appears, then I'll click on paste to paste my article. Now my article has been pasted with the way it has been formatted. So I can actually edit. Now when you look at the formatting bars, you will see many options. You see bold, you see italics, and so on and so forth. You can change your heading styles depending on what you want to do. Change it to paragraph. Then I can decide to turn a paragraph into a pull quote by clicking the pull quote button. You see, this is now a pull quote. Now, I can bold a text or a group of text. I can italicize. You can do anything you want to do with the formatting. And when you are done with the formatting, you can add, you can remove, depending on what you want. Let me just do a little tweaking. I have this. I want to remove some block of text I won't be needing here, as well as the image. I won't be needing this image. So you can add image in between your texts. That is one good thing about using the classic editor. You can comfortably put the image right there in your texts, in your posts. So if I am done, you scroll down. At the end of your text, you scroll down. You may see so many options depending on the SEO tool you're using. In this case, I'm using Yoast, so there are so many options I'm going to see. But beside that, when you scroll down, you look at the format. I'm leaving it as standard because it's just text. I'm not putting audio, I'm not putting video. Now, under categories, you need to create, or you need to identify the category the post will be made. In this case, I will first of all select Walking by Faith, which will be the primary category. I will select Christian Life, and then I will select God's Principles. Now, if there is a category this post should fall under and I don't have them already, you can click Add New Category, and then you add the category. Now, in the tags, these are search words or phrases with which your post will be identified. Enter the tags, as many as you wish. Walking by Faith, I'll just enter a few tags. Building your faith, growing in faith. I'll just use these ones, then I'll click Add. Now, as you scroll down, featured image. Now, these are pictures that will be associated with your post. If you use a slider in your blog site, it will be the picture appearing in the slider with your posts. In the excerpts, the featured image will be the image that will appear. When you share your blog post on social media, the featured image will be the image that will appear together with your post. So you go to set featured image. If you already have the image in your media library, you select. If not, you upload. Then definitely you will have your image already in your phone. Then you have to locate where the image is in your phone. And you select the image. When it finishes uploading, you click Set Featured Image. Then, depending on the SEO you're using, you can go down and do so many other things. For the SEO I'm using, a meta description can be inserted. So you can pick a paragraph from your post for your meta description. Let me look for a paragraph. So I can pick this paragraph and use it as the excerpts. Then I'll copy. Then I'll go down to the meta description. Then I will paste it there. I can as well edit. showing okay, let me just leave it. Then when you are done, you can do other tweakings. Under the SEO focus key phrases, you can get related key phrases. As I said, this depends on your SEO, but because I'm using the Yoast SEO, I can do such. Then after everything is done, you will scroll up to publish and you publish. When you publish, your post will go live, and then you can view it in your recent posts. It will appear on top of your recent posts. So let's look at what it looks like. Let's look at what the post we just made and see how it appears here. This is it. How to grow your faith. That's the featured image. Thank you very much. And remember to subscribe.